welcome to my channel udacity and myself Adi here. And on the occasion of today we have reached 90 subscriber, and without your help I couldn't reach 90 subscribers. So I know it's a very small number, but it's a really good number for a beginner like me. Okay, so I have brought today 20 plus Udemy courses for free. So let us begin. At one we have Active Directory Administration for Helpdesk technician. So I have applied the link in I have applied the coupon in the link and provided in the description box. Just click on enroll now and you can enroll for this course. At number 2 we have a complete Sass course, and with CSS Preprocessor with the projects. It is also a very good course, and it's a project guided course, so you can enroll now. Only one day left at this price. At number 3 we have HTML and CSS certification course for beginners, and one of my subscriber have asked to bring HTML and CSS course, so I have brought this. At number 4 we have Python for beginners, the basic of Python development. At number 5 we have Tableau training, master Tableau for data science. And Tableau nowadays it's very useful for data analysis and data visualization, and it can analyze even COVID-19 pandemic situation. So you can enroll for this course. It costs around 12,800, but I have brought it for free. At number I think 6 at number 6 we have introduction to domain name and web hosting. And at number 7 we have NGINX Apache SSL encryption. And at number 8 we have passive income for programmers. This is the course that every programmer needs to do. At number 9 we have authentic Mexican cooking. Whoever are interested in cooking can do this course. At number 10 we have C++ programming for beginners, as this is the most demanding course among my subscribers. So they have asked how to they wanted to learn C++ programming, and they also wanted to build a tic-tac-toe game. So I have brought this for you. Next we have painting course. So this course can be enrolled by anyone who are interested in painting. At next we have 2020 complete ELK stack, Elasticsearch, Logstash and Kibana, and enroll for this course because only one day left at this price. At next we have 2020 Jenkins tutorial for beginners. So this is for beginners, and if you are interested in this course you can enroll. And then we have the 6 steps to unlock your confidence. This is the course which helps you to explore yourself and unlock the skills, or it helps you to develop self-development skills. So just enroll for this course. And next we have HVAC chiller system and HVAC CHW flow rate calculation. This is for mechanical engineers, so they can enroll for this course. Next we have Instagram clone app to master Android and Firebase. This is a really good course developed by CT team. You know, as a CT team is one of the top instructors at Udemy. Next we have English writing basics. Learn to write a sentence in English. This is also a good course. You can write, or you can learn this course and learn to write how to write a blog. At next we have anti-money laundering masterclass, AML, KYC and compliance, and this is also a good course. Over 2,900 3,000 students have enrolled for this course. Next we have basic and essential Excel formulas and function course. This was the course demanded by one of my subscribers, so you can enroll for this course. Next we have getting started with NLP Hindi. This is the course made for Indians. Whoever knows Hindi can enroll for this course. Don't worry about the rating. Some people will give less rating. Don't worry about this, but enroll for this course as soon as possible. Okay, so guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channels, and we have reached 91 subscribers.